If you're having trouble connecting to Roblox multiplayer, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game quickly. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure your device is connected to the internet. You can do this by opening a web browser and visiting any website. If the connection is unstable, try restarting your router or switching to a wired connection. Step 2. Update Roblox. Make sure you have the latest version of Roblox installed. Open the Roblox app and check for any available updates. If there are updates, download and install them to ensure optimal performance. Step 3. Adjust firewall settings. Sometimes, your firewall may block Roblox from connecting to the internet. Go to your computer's firewall settings and make sure that Roblox is allowed through the firewall. You may need to add it as an exception. Step 4. Restart your device. A simple restart can often resolve connectivity issues. Turn off your device completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This can refresh your system and clear any temporary glitches. Step 5. Check Roblox server status. Visit the Roblox status page or their official social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back up and running. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your multiplayer connection issues in Roblox. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance. Happy gaming!